In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter contacts in Freshsales. Whether you're new to Freshsales or just looking to enhance your skills, this guide will help you streamline your contact management process in just a few minutes. Let's start by visiting the Freshsales website. You can do this through your preferred web browser. Just type in the URL and hit enter. Once you're there, cast your eyes to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and complete the sign-in process, ensuring you have access to your Freshsales dashboard. Now that you've successfully logged in, let's move on to accessing your contacts. Direct your attention to the left panel of your dashboard. Here you'll find various sections dedicated to different areas of your sales management. Click on the section labeled Contacts, which will take you to a comprehensive view of all your stored contact information. Once you're on the Contacts page, look towards the top banner of the screen where you'll notice the Filter By option. Clicking on this is crucial as it opens up a host of customization features designed to sort and manage your contacts efficiently. You're given the ability to hone in on specific groups or individuals by defining your filter preferences. At this stage, you'll need to choose the kind of filter you wish to apply. Freshsales offers a variety of filters such as by lead score, location, recent activity, and more. Take a moment to think about what type of information is most relevant to your current needs and select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Once you've chosen a filter type, it's time to set the specific criteria for your filter. This is where you can get quite detailed. For example, if you're sorting by lead score, you might decide to only view contacts with a score above a certain threshold, or if you're filtering by date of last contact, you can set a specific time frame. This sort of specificity allows you to quickly access the most pertinent information without unnecessary clutter. Lastly, to see the magic happen, click on the Apply button. This will activate your filter, and in no time, your contacts list will update to display only those entries that match your selected criteria. This updated view makes it simpler to analyze your contacts and manage your communications more effectively. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully filtered your contacts in Freshsales. Remember, mastering these small actions can significantly impact your overall workflow and productivity. Thanks for joining me today, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher.